little doggy? Dude, that's like horrible. They make chocolate dogs, you're supposed to eat them. Like, you bite off his head, that dog is done. That dog is just screwed for life. That's horrible. By the way, this is from like Valentine's Day. 3 months ago. This song so much. Love it. Now that I don't have crap in my throat, I can't make dubstep with my throat anymore. No. Alright, well, I got everything situated, kind of, not really, for the day. Alright, so, last day of the weekend that is actually a weekend that is special to me until August. So this is my last school weekend. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I gained like 5 subscribers today. Nice. So, to those 5 of you who just subscribed that are watching, thank you. Thank you. And then the other, like, the rest of you guys who make up this whole channel, thank you. So, just been thanking you. Yes. Okay, yeah, so I found some of these bathroom passes. If you don't know what these are, teachers hand them out. They're like, you need to give me a bathroom pass. But at the end of the year, or the end of the semester rather, if you still have your bathroom passes and stuff like that, you get points for it. For however many you have left. I have all 4 out of 4, so that means I'll be getting extra points in English and in history. So, hopefully, this is 20 points, so considering I'm going to be blowing off an assignment in English, extra credit might be pretty good. So I'm turning in my Romeo and Juliet book tomorrow with no memorization of any lines. Because you have to go up in front of the class and recite it, and if you don't, you lose like 50 points. So, yeah. So I'm going to turn that in, and then turn in my gym lock. Awesome. Tomorrow. Might video that, a little creepy in the locker room, but whatever. I don't care. It's my last day in gym. So then, yeah, and then Tuesday I'm turning in my history book, German book, and my locker, which is insane. So that'll be the final day of my janky lock. The thing that doesn't ever want to open. This is me at the lock. There we go. Locker's open. But yeah, that thing is probably gets me so mad. But yeah, I'm putting the Mr. MacBook into the carry-on. If it'll even fit in the carry-on, I might need 2 carry-ons. I don't even think you can have 2. I haven't been on a plane in a decade, so even if things have changed, I probably wouldn't remember having 2 carry-ons because I was like 4. Not even. I wasn't even 4. So I haven't been on a plane in 10.5 years. And you guys will definitely hear me talk about that some more throughout pretty much till Wednesday. And then from now to like Thursday, you'll hear me talk about my childhood town, Wichita Falls. So if any of you guys are from there, haha, I'm going to be there on Thursday. I'm going to be at the falls. I'm going to go all around. It's going to be awesome. Take some Instagram pictures. Take some ton. Hopefully the vlogs are probably going to get 10 times better. I mean, with the exception of losing the dog butts for 2 weeks. They're going to be, content-wise, awesome. I can assure you that. Probably going to be like, maybe 14-minute vlogs a day. I'm not making any promises, so if I get 13 minutes and 59 seconds, nobody get mad, okay? Okay. But, yeah, I'm going to pack up some more stuff. I'm gonna head to bed. So, good night, guys. Zeus, you wanna say good night? I wanna say good night. You gonna miss me? I'm gonna miss you. You guys are gonna miss him too. Let's go to bed. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Jeez. You wanna go outside or something? Yep, you wanna go outside. Okay, well, I'm gonna go let him outside. I'm gonna go to bed. So, here's my bed flop. Night.